Davidson County Crisis Team. How can I help you?
This is a crisis call center. At Mental Health Cooperative, calls like this come every day. But what they want are people in crisis to get help there too. Because the problem is growing.
The problem is the population has continued to grow. Those resources have not grown to keep up with the demand. And as our city continues to grow, which at an enormous rate, you're going to have people who have mental illness, who have substance abuse issues, and they need to get rapid treatment, or they're going to end up in our jails, in our emergency rooms, waiting for days on end for treatment.
According to Senior Vice President of Clinical Services, Amanda Brock, the way to help could be not far off.
This area here will be an intensive treatment unit.
These are the plans for an emergency room for mental health. It's a place where people can go that's not behind bars.
When somebody's suffering from mental illness and they're in crisis, a lot of times families are frustrated. They don't know exactly what to do. Sometimes there is behavior that makes people really feel a need to call the police for assistance. But a lot of times these people really, what they need is treatment. They don't really need to be put in jail.
Staff at the facility will take in patients out of the hands of police, who often have to spend their whole shifts dealing with people suffering from mental health issues.
Our goal is once officers bring somebody to the crisis center is to be able to release that officer within 10 minutes so they can be back on the streets patrolling the streets of Nashville.
Where are you at right now?
Not only freeing up police to do their jobs, but getting those patients the help they need right away. Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Kyle. Metro health officials say, again, it should be built and open by this time next year.